You still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now.
What's up?
Sometimes I just sit here and wonder, man, what's wrong with all these cars?
What is up, guys? Check it out. So, back with another video. Today is, what's today? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, October the 4th.
Yeah.
It's currently 10 a.m. Check it out. We came to check this 2004 Savana. Same thing as an Express. We just got here. Came to check it out because client said that it turned off on them while they were driving and they put gas. They thought it was a gas, but we were doing some diagnosing. Come to find out, it has this code right here, P0335, something to do with the crank sensor. I like these chocolates, these are my favorite. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check see what's the issue. We're gonna check the crank sensor. We're gonna check the wires that go to the crank sensor, and maybe it's a wiring issue, or maybe it's a fuse or the crank sensor itself.
I'm drinking some
Ghost. Sponsor us. Who makes those? Ghost?
Bud Light.
Oh, you love Bud Light.
Bud Light makes these. Well, they distribute it. I don't know if they make it.
Yes. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and check the wiring at the bottom. All right, guys. So we're underneath the van. Went ahead and jacked it up. So let's check it out. Come closer. So after doing some further inspection and diagnosing and performing the visual inspection with my personal eyes, we come to find out that, as you can see, look at this crank sensor. Look at the wires. They're completely corroded. They're falling apart. Oh damn, look at this one. You know what that means. Crank sensor is completely toasted. Pretty sure that's why it's not turning on. We're gonna have to replace this connector and see what it does. Obviously, well, actually I think we could just tap it to see if it's gonna work, but I think we're gonna go ahead and replace it. I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone and hopefully they have it. Still the 3-pin connector. I always forget. I should have these I wish I could just keep some and have some extra ones at home. I mean, in the van. But I always forget. This is the second time we need one of these and we have to go to the store. But yeah, we're gonna go to AutoZone. Oh, actually, I'm gonna see if they have it in stock first. So go ahead and pull out your AutoZone app and check it out. Looks like they have it nearby. And it's raining.
No.
Shit. So yeah, guys, this is the connector. We're gonna go ahead and go pick it up right here. It's down the road. Oh shit, we gotta go because it's raining.
No, the carpet got.
Bro, I'm trying to get out. My hand was cramped up. Oh fuck. Oh, swarming. Then
Freaking started raining, guys. We were checking the car. It's raining. It's been raining this whole week. No, actually, it started raining yesterday. My bad. It's really annoying. You know, if you see my previous videos, you know I hate rain. It's my worst enemy. But oh, it's about to stop. I already stopped it. Check it out. Look at the setup right now. ¿Es el gato?
While we were down there, this fucking ant just bit me.
Ooh. Este el gato. ¿Y acá está la scanner? Check it out, guys. This is the setup right now. Pretty cool. A lot of people ask me for the sign, like where did I get it made? Or how did I make it? I did it myself. It's an app called Canvas. You could just customize your words, and you can put your logo, and you can put all your info. You can just put whatever you want in it. I'm really picky with my stuff, so I went ahead and made it myself. And I went to my local flea market, Tia Pancha. If you know, you know. Went ahead and took the picture, and they printed it there, and I got the A-frame. I got it from Facebook Marketplace. So, I mean, that's it. I spent about, I had 2 posters made for the front and the rear of the sign, and then the A-frame was like $60. So that was pretty cheap. Yeah, the A-frame was $60, and yeah, in total I spent about like 180 on the sign. It's a pretty good sign, because a lot of people, they stop by, they see the sign, they take a picture, or they ask questions, which is good. I mean, they see you that you're working, and I guess, I don't know, I guess it's cool. It's a cool sign. So let's go to AutoZone and take care of that. Check it out, guys. These houses are beautiful. We're gonna go to AutoZone. Right now we're gonna go to AutoZone. It's right here down the road.
5 minutes.
5 minutes away. We're gonna get that crank sensor pigtail. They said they had it there, so hopefully their inventory is correct.
In 2.2 miles, turn right.
Because it's really annoying whenever it says they have the part, but they can't find the part, and I have to go to a different auto parts, and it's just really annoying. But let's go ahead and go. Alright guys, we're at AutoZone. Get AutoZone. Sponsor us. They don't want to sponsor me.
Arrived.
AutoZone's a good auto parts, aftermarket auto parts. A lot of people say it's trash, but I know I made a video that said it was trash, but that one time it was trash. But I mean, other than that, I like AutoZone better than Riley's and Advance. But let's go.
For sure.
Go, boy. Genuine GM part. Let's go.
Get it a sound.
Alright guys, so we are gonna go take care of that. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because yesterday we got rained on like crazy. I was freaking wet, Jose was wet. And yeah, it was really annoying.
Right now it just rained for a little bit, like it was teasing us, bro.
It's like, hey man, you ain't working today either.
Oh shit, you hear that fucking thunder.
It looks like it's raining that way. Might have to set up the shop.
Are you guys gonna set up shop, huh?
Yeah, man. Set up shop. No, we're back, guys, at the location. We're gonna take care of this client, get him back on the road. This is how to make $600 in 1 hour. Just kidding. Just kidding. Go. Where are we? Alright guys, so check it out, we are back. First thing I'm gonna do is make sure this is the right connector. This should fit in right here. Ooh, yes, snap on. It's snap on. Cool. Yeah, you can see right here, guys, this is gonna be the issue. Luckily, it wasn't messed up more inside the harness, So pretty easy right here. All you got to do is cut one by one. Well, this one's already cut. Make sure the pigtail's facing this way. We're gonna cut one wire at a time. So this one's already cut on this one. This one's the middle one. This one's the one on the far right. So we're gonna go ahead and cut. We're gonna make this a little shorter. I don't want it to be too long. And we'll cut about. So we went ahead and cut a little bit, make the pigtail a little bit shorter, and start stripping the ends right here. Cool. And right here. Cool. Now that we have our ends stripped, we're gonna go ahead and start fixing this one. Cut that. Get this one, strip it. Ow. Okay. And we're gonna grab. So we're gonna connect one by one. This one's gonna be right here. We're gonna go ahead and twist, twist, twist. See? Look at that.
It's hitting.
Oh. I thought it lost out or something, trying to crank it. What the hell?
That's happened once by itself. Fucking engine just turned on its own.
Where's the fucking light here? Here it is. Put the hinge shrink over it, guys. Make sure it's the right one. Yep. Cool. See, I ain't going nowhere. Do the same with the middle one. Cut it around the same. Cut it around the same area. You cut the last one around here. Boom, cut it. Strip it here. Expose the wire. And this is gonna be the middle one. Middle one right here. Sometimes it has colors. Oh, let me grab the heat shrink. Sometimes it has colors, like the same color, but in this case, this is white. Okay, it's cool. Boom. Now this right here has worked for me for years. A lot of people might be like, why do you use, ¿cómo se llama? Soldering? You don't have to. This ain't going nowhere. Boom, boom, boom. Ow. Ah, shit. Take a walk. It's too windy. I need a torch. Burn the torch. Like that. Boom. Then the last one, which is the far right one. Same thing. Where is it? Here you are. Boom. Cut it right here. Same area, kinda. Cool. And right here. Grab your
This one right here.
Huh? Can we?
No, there was one. But
Grab the heat shrink. Twisty. Twisty twist. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. Man, my back is getting all wet. Call me wet back. Like that. Chido. And we're just gonna go ahead and tape it up and put this over it so it doesn't get damaged again. Here's my snap-on tape. We're gonna go ahead and tape this up. Yes. And we're gonna push it in here. Okay, cool. And we're gonna tape that up a little bit. If I can find the tape. Yes, yes. Cool. Beautiful. Like factory. Cool. We're back, guys. Dale, wait. ¿Qué hace? Might have to clear the code or... But go ahead and clear the code first. Pon la llave.
It's already on.
Yes.
I've already had 3 course meals.
Yes.
And it's barely 10 p.m.
Yes.
10 a.m. 11 a.m. Yes.
Codes, the códigos.
Same
We
one?
just gotta click codes. Yes. Okay, continue. Alright, check again real quick. Just to make sure it shouldn't pop up. Ooh. Alright, go ahead. Al llavazo. Check it out, guys. She's back. She's running. Client's gonna be real happy because he needs it for work. He had to, I don't know what he did. I think he had to miss work, and that sucks. Because if this is your money maker and it's down, it's a big headache. But yeah, guys, check it out. We are done. I'll tell the client about it. He's gonna be real happy about it. Yep. Everything looks good. I went ahead and checked the oil level, make sure it was good. I'm gonna check right now, make sure it has coolant, because I've noticed that he has an extra jug here. Maybe it's been leaking or something, or the radiator looks new, so I think they just recently changed it out. Yeah, it's full of coolant, so good. Cool. Check it out, guys. Beautiful houses out here. We're in the Willowbrook area. We travel all over Houston. Willowbrook, Pasadena, Jersey Village, Spring, a little bit of Pearland, a little bit of Katy. They're a little bit farther, those places, Katy, Pearland, they're a little farther, but hey, if they willing to pay extra, if they need our service, we're here at their doorstep. Like right now we're at Willowbrook, and Willowbrook from my area, it's about 30 minutes or so. What up? But yeah, like I was saying, we travel all over Houston. Willowbrook from my area is about 30 minutes away, but hey man, we're here. We're here. So just putting everything away. We're almost done here. We're done. I'm gonna go test drive it, but it should be good. Yeah, this is what we do, guys. Call or text right there. Oil changes, suspensions, all that stuff. AC service, cooling system. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, guys, let me tell the client this is ready and get out of here. We got another car.